Hey everyone, it's Jacqueline. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Thank you to my new subscribers and thank you also to the people that keep on watching my videos. Today I'm coming on, I was inspired by another YouTuber's recipe. Her name is Alicia Lynn on YouTube, but I call her Alicia in the comments. So her channel, it's pretty good. I do like it. She does a lot of hauls, she bakes, she goes on hikes and things like that. So one day I was watching her and she made a pancake recipe with 3 ingredients. And I remember being inspired because right around the time I was watching the video, I had those exact 3 ingredients in my fridge. We're talking like a month ago. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try it out and see how it is. It never happened. It's happening today though. So what I'm making is a 3 ingredient pancake. It's supposed to have the texture of a crepe and it's so basic and simple. And she also said it's delicious, and when I watched her video it looked really amazing. Another thing about the pancakes as well is that it's high in protein and low in carbs as well. So I'm going to flip through and show you what I'm going to use. I have here 1 cup of cottage cheese, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of flour. I'm not too sure how this flour is going to work because it's whole wheat and gluten-free, but that's all we have. She didn't use salt in hers, but I am going to use salt in mine because I can't picture having the eggs without the salt. And it's pretty much just dump in the flour. Stove to medium to high. She said that the texture was supposed to be a little runny, which is good. And that's why it's going to come out like a thin crepe. Mine seems a little thick. I wonder if it's because of the flour that I'm using. I'm not sure. All done mixing. It's got the texture in there from the cottage cheese. When she did hers, she made 3 of them. Just want to cook it a little bit on both sides. It's been about a minute so far. I do see little bubbles forming. Let me see. That's my first flip. As you can see, I'm not the best flipper. My first one's a bit of a disaster, but it looks pretty good though. I'm going to try to make this one a little bit thinner. While I'm waiting for the other one to cook, here we are. It looks pretty good. Give it a quick taste without any syrup or anything. She was right. I didn't need the salt. It's really good. It's light and fluffy. Thanks, Alicia, for sharing this recipe for me to try. It's as easy as you said. I think my flour is a little bit off, but it tastes really good, and you're absolutely right. The salt wasn't needed. And as I'm eating it without any syrup or anything, it's really good. Really good. I'm just gonna finish it off and come back and show you the end result. Done. I made 3. I made a large one at the bottom and 2 smaller ones. I've got some berries. I'm going to put some berries on it. I'm going to put my syrup to the side, not on the top. Now, with everything on it, with the sweetness and the berries, Thanks, Alicia. This is yummy. I'm going to link Alicia's recipe in the link below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.